Hey guys, so we're here with the new video. We have actually some very exciting news.
We are going to be at the Rhode Island Home Show at the Rhode Island Convention Center, April 4th through the 7th.
But that's not all.
We are also giving a free coffee table away to just about anybody, right?
Yeah. So you can go on libertylumberproducts.com and there'll be a form on the homepage that you can enter to win.
So we have also been hired by House of Brews, which is going to be a microbrewery. They're going to sample all different types of beer from Rhode Island. So we're actually building them a 16-foot pine bar, and it's going to be sitting on top of wine barrels. So we've got some really cool stuff happening.
And so right now we're going to show you a little teaser of what's to come.
Check it out. Let's make it happen. We are here at our mill. So we got a pine log here. We're going to make out of we're actually going to make a nice bar top out of this. So right now we're taking this ladder. We're going to run a chainsaw mill right across it. First pass, we're just trying to get everything flat. And then from there, go down through this log. We're going to cut up some 4 to 5 inch slabs and hopefully finish the bar off around 4, maybe 3 inches, somewhere around there.